What's up, everybody? So today's episode of having fun with crap in the garage. Rear end is getting rebuilt right now. I'm doing this all shit, but I wanted to show you guys how to install quad shocks. And for those of you who don't know, it's a shock that goes from that bracket to the bracket that's supposed to be right there. Basically, the V6s do not have that. The stock 7.5 does not have this at all, and you will not have the bracket. However, you will have the holes that are right here with welded nuts in the back. Okay, I got 8.8. I also bought new quad shocks. They're somewhere in that pile of shit over there. Basically, what you gotta do is, if you're up north where I am and you have rusty frickin' crap everywhere, you need yourself a tap. Now, the tap size, and don't use a thread chaser, use a tap. This is a 11 millimeter by 1.5. That's what we're using. This is a tap socket. They're not expensive. Lyle makes these, are like $20 for the whole set off of Summit. Buy a set. It's a lot easier. Basically, get it in there and start it. I did the other side already, and one of these welded nuts broke off, so I gotta try and figure that crap out. Yes, you should be using a tap lubricant, and that's why, because now this broke off. So basically, that nut is welded in the back. So now I gotta try and get this out again, just like the other side, because this car is so rusty in the back from being driven in salt. You may want to just, yeah, see, that one just pulled right off too. So I gotta basically figure out a way to get a nut on the back of this side, which will be pretty fun. But basically what you would do is you would normally just re-tap those holes, and then there's a bracket you get. I got one out of a scrapped junk car. Let me see if I can find it in my pile of crap. Right here. This bracket. What you do with this bracket, you bolt it up like this, and now you have your quad shocks that will go down to there. I got some work to do now because I have to fucking weld in some new damn nuts, which really sucks. But that's the way she goes sometimes. So now, instead of being able to show you how to do the whole job, I gotta get that crap apart and fix it. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll get back to you when I get it done. So we'll see you guys later.